Our Advanced Diploma of Graphic Design is one of the most exciting courses we offer at Mindroom. Within it, the students are tasked to create a variety of work in which they practice the skills they've learned. The first unit which we'd like to share, and the work we'd like to share, is for the unit Create Multi-Platform Advertisements for Mass Media. Within it, the students were tasked to create a variety of mass media advertisements, from web pages to magazine adverts, in which they presented this premium racing helmet in the best lights with the relevant information. The main focus for these advertisements is to practice the principles of design, in which all the elements are placed in a way which draws the most attention and is most appealing to the visual eye. Within this unit of completion, students were tasked with developing graphic designs for branding for a festival. The logo was required to be developed, as well as a branding package and marketing materials. Again, the use of typography and imagery was really important, and our students did so well in meeting these requirements. The best part of completing each unit is sharing our work with our trainer, as well as the rest of the students, and getting feedback. This is the best way that we can grow and expand as designers. We're so proud of the work that our students are creating, and we can't wait to see them thrive as they enter into the market.